Welcome! If you're watching this, you probably searched for making money from thrift stores, thrift store reselling, or thrift store flipping. Today, I'll break down the entire process of finding profitable items at thrift stores and selling them online. Why thrift stores? Thrift stores are ideal for reselling because they have a low barrier to entry and carry a wide variety of undervalued items you can flip for a profit. You can find anything from sporting equipment to clothing, and the low cost means there's potential for decent margins. Research before you go. Before heading to the thrift store, do some research. 1. YouTube * watch reselling YouTubers who show you what to buy and how much it sells for. 2. Instagram * follow other resellers for daily tips and examples of sold items. 3. Start with what you know * if you have a hobby or interest, start by looking for items in that category, as you're likely more knowledgeable about their value. Planning your thrift store trip. Find thrift stores using Google Maps. Search for thrift stores, Goodwill, and Salvation Army, as not all stores show up under a single search term. Plan your route using tools like Google Route Planner or MapQuest. In the store. When you arrive, take a systematic approach. Start with areas you're most interested in or knowledgeable about. Use the eBay app to check the value of items. For example, scan barcodes or search manually to see how much similar items are selling for and their sell-through rates, how often items sell compared to how many are listed. Sell-through rate example. A Honeywell thermostat found for $5 sold for $58. By checking eBay, you can filter results to see how many are listed versus how many have sold in the past 90 days. A high sell-through rate indicates a good chance of selling quickly. Listing your items to list items effectively on eBay. 1. Photos * provide clear, well-lit, and accurate photos. 2. Pricing * price competitively by averaging recent sold prices. 3. Item specifics and description * fill out item specifics and provide a detailed, accurate description. Inventory and financial management. Use eBay's custom SKU feature to keep track of inventory. Keep good financial records to manage your business expenses and sales, as you'll need to pay taxes on your earnings. Tools like spreadsheets or services like My Reseller Genie can help. Shipping. Package items securely, assuming they might be handled roughly during transit. You can print shipping labels directly through eBay. Final thoughts. This is just the basics of thrift store flipping. For more in-depth videos and examples, subscribe to my channel. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy thrifting!